Hello everyone. I will introduce myself. Those who are watching for the first time, I will introduce myself. I am Yatish Pudwal, astrologer, settled at Ujire in Karnataka, nearby Mangalore. Today I am going to tell you about the Shukla Paksha Ekadashi Vrat of Margashira Masa. This Ekadashi Vrat is called as Moksha. The story related to this Ekadashi Vrat comes in Brahmanda Purana, where Sri Krishna tells this story to Yudhishthira. There was a king called Vaikanasa who was the king of Champaka. This Champaka kingdom, it was famous for its Vishnu Bhakti. Almost all the people in the city were great devotees of Mahavishnu and they were observing Ekadashi Vrata. One day, King Vaikanasa had a dream, and in that dream he saw that his father was crying and he was in hell. King Vaikanasa thought that I have done all the rituals of my father, so my father will be satisfied and he will be placed in heaven. But it was not like that. He saw in the dream that his father is in hell. So next day morning he asked the Brahmins in his court regarding the dream. What was the reason behind my dad's this ill condition in hell, and what I have to do as a son to make my father to get a place in heaven. But none of the Brahmins answered him, but they told him that to visit sage Parvata, who was residing nearby Champaka city. As told by the Brahmins, King Vaikanasa visited sage Parvata. Sage Parvata was able to know about the past, present and future of anyone. So when King Vaikanasa visited sage Parvata, he came to know that King Vaikanasa has visited him to ask about his father. Sage Parvata told King Vaikanasa that it is due to the curse of one of his wives, he is in hell. King Vaikanasa's father had many wives. Out of them, one of his wife has cursed him. Vaikanasa's father completely ignored that wife. She wanted to have children, but he completely ignored his wife. That's why she cursed him. Due to that curse, Vaikanasa's father, he didn't have a good death, and due to that, he didn't get a place in heaven and he was sent to hell. And sage Parvata recommended Vaikanasa king that you must perform Shukla Paksha Ekadashi Vrat of Margashira Masa. This Ekadashi Vrat is called as Mokshada. Due to the positive results of this Ekadashi Vrat, your father will be freed from the hell and he will be placed in heaven. And all the ancestors of your family, they will also get a good place in heaven. As told by sage Parvata, King Vaikanasa observed this Ekadashi Vrata, and due to the positive results of this Ekadashi Vrata, he made his father, who was there in hell, to go to heaven. Due to the observance of this Ekadashi Vrata, all his ancestors, they attained moksha. So the importance of this Ekadashi Vrata is that whoever is having the feeling that I have not done anything to my ancestors, I have not performed Pitru Paksha or Pitru Karmas properly, you can observe this Ekadashi Vrat. By observing this Ekadashi Vrat, you can make your ancestors happy and you can help them to attain moksha. It is just equal to Pitru Karma. So, whoever have the feeling that I have not done properly, please observe this Ekadashi Vrat and help your ancestors to attain moksha.